Hi guys, today I'm back for another video. We're going to be checking our birds and we're going to be checking their babies. So as you can see, here's our red mosaic couple. And there's the babies there. They're getting their feathers, so that's good. As you can see, we put some lettuce in there, they're eating down there, the parents. Red mosaic, a gate male with his female there. As you can see, there's one there with a yellowy tone and grey, and then there's some darker ones in the back. But yeah. So yeah. Now to these. There we have our two females in here. It looks like they're both in the nest there. So yeah, now this one's gone out. Maybe you can see what they've got. They've got eggs there. So yeah. Now to check these up here. As you know, there's our red mosaic gate male. And his female there. I believe they've got eggs. That's good. Now up here. These canaries. We know they've got babies. So that's good. Now to our budgies. You can see. Here's our male budgie. There. There's the baby in there. Got a yellow cheek. Looks like it's getting yellow feathers around the mouth. There's its mother. There. Now to this couple. There's the grey male budgie. Grey with yellow face. As you can see, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs in there. The female looks keen to get back in her nest, so we'll let her do that. Now to the flight. As we know, some of our zebra finches might have babies in the nest. So yeah. They're all hanging out up there. Also, as you can see, our green finches are there. This is one of our nests there, but nothing in there. Looks like the canary's trying to rebuild it for her. So yeah. As you can see, that's the canary there. So yeah. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.